How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here. In this video, I will be showing you 5 super cool applications that you must install in your Samsung device right now. Well, all these applications will definitely make your Samsung device lot better and fun to use. With that being said, the likes target for this video is 1000 likes. I know you guys will do it, so drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, first up we have Hex Installer. Well, we all know how bad and awful themes that we get in Samsung theme store. So in case if you really want to theme your device in a proper and unique way, then it's a must-have application for you. Now let me show you how you can use it. After installing this application, you will get an interface like this where you can change the UI mode, which means you can select different themes, and if you want, you can also download some additional plugins directly from the Play Store itself. Other than this, you can also change the accent color, background color, and even you can change the system font as well. Guys, you can basically theme all your third-party applications as you like. Well, there are tons of customization options that you will get in this app. Once you have done setting up your theme, now just select Build and Install option. It will take some time to install this theme in your device. Once it gets complete, just go to your theme store and apply this theme called High Contrast 2. It is very simple and within seconds, it will change the entire look of your Samsung device. Definitely try it out. Next up, we have an application which goes by the name called Volume Styles. Well, if you are getting bored with the default volume panel that you get in your Samsung devices and want to customize it, then this application is perfect for you. All you have to do is just download this app and allow all the permission which is required. In this app, you will get so many different themes for your volume panel. You can change the volume panel to look like iOS volume panel, you can change it to look like MIUI volume slider, or even you can change it to OnePlus volume panel as well. Well, there are so many different themes that you will get in this app. All in all, it's a perfect app which changes the entire look of your default volume panel. Make sure you check it out. Alright guys, next up we have a launcher which is called Launchair Launcher. Well, I know most of you don't like using any third-party launcher in your Samsung devices, but if you really like customizing your device, then you must have to install a launcher, because the default One UI launcher does not have some basic customization, like you don't even get the option to change the icon pack, which is a very basic thing. With that said, recently I shifted to Launchair Launcher because I love customization and I love changing the icon packs. Guys, it is one of the cleanest launcher that you will get in the Play Store. It is super clean without any ads or bugs, and you also get all the customization options in this launcher. Overall, if you really want to try a third-party launcher in your Samsung device, then this one is what you are looking for. Next up is AOD Notify. One of the basic feature that is missing in most of the smartphone is the notification LED light. Guys, without a notification LED light, it is very difficult to find out whether you have received any notification or not. To fix this issue, all you need to do is download this application and then allow all the permission which is required. What it does is, it enables a LED light around your camera edges, so whenever you receive any notification, you will have this beautiful notification light which blinks around your camera cutout. Well, I use this application in all my Samsung devices because it is very effective and useful. Alright guys, the last but not the least, we have Find Lock. I get a lot of comments in all my videos stating that GoodLock is not supported in their region. Guys, if GoodLock is not supported in your country, or you are finding it very difficult to download GoodLock from the Galaxy Store, then all you have to do is go to Play Store and download this application called Find Lock. Basically, it's a launcher for Samsung GoodLock and all its modules. In this app, you will find all the modules that you get in GoodLock application. If you want to download any of these modules, just visit their website and from there you will be able to download all the modules directly. Guys, all these modules works perfectly without any issue or bugs. So in case if GoodLock is not supported in your country, then go ahead and download this application. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 5 amazing applications that you must install in your Samsung device right now. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.